Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how I make this delicious creamy strawberry drink, agua fresca de fresa. It's super delicious, you are going to love it. These are the ingredients that we are going to need to make this delicious agua fresca, creamy strawberry agua fresca. We're gonna use 1 pound of strawberries and they can be fresh or frozen. I have half of them frozen and half of them fresh, so it doesn't really matter. We're gonna use 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, 2 cups of just fresh milk, regular milk, 2 spoons of vanilla extract, and sugar just to taste. If you want to add sugar, we're gonna use ice, and we're gonna use 3 liters of water. Okay, let's start. Guys, I added the strawberries to my blender and I'm gonna add the condensed milk and the evaporated milk, and I also chopped some of my strawberries just to add to the water when it's ready. Okay, let's start. I added the strawberries, the condensed milk, and the evaporated milk. I have a little bit of room in my blender, so I'm gonna add some of the fresh milk. And I'm gonna also add the vanilla. Added all the ingredients to the blender. Now let's start blending. Okay, everything has to be blended super smooth. Look, it's perfect. Now we can start adding it to our pitcher where we're gonna make the agua fresca. Looks so delicious, so creamy, smells so good. I added the strawberry. Now I'm gonna add the ice, the rest of the milk, and the water. And then I'm gonna see if it needs more sugar. Okay, it's ready. I don't think it needs any sugar for me. I don't like it too sweet, so it's perfect. If you think it needs more sugar, just add more sugar. Now I'm gonna add the slices of strawberries and it's ready. And our delicious and super creamy agua de fresa strawberry water is super delicious and ready. Enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to Cocinando con los de Wit. You're just gonna love this agua fresca.